With summer here, this year's is set to be an exceptional scorcher. We're looking for ways to keep cool. And how can you combine keeping cool on a hot summer's day with pretending to shoot the living daylights out of each other? Water pistols, my friends. First up, we have the Aquamax 99, the current favourite. And a decent score from the Aquamax 99. Next up, the glorious Moisonator 2.0. And a disappointing show from the Moisonator. But let's see how the H2 Kill holds up against the Aquamax. And the H2 Kill beats out the Aquamax's score to no end. It's likely we have a victor here. But wait, we have one last contestant. The, Soggy Moggy. And an astounding victory for the Soggy Moggy. It appears to have completely decimated our target. So there you have it, chaps at home. Now you know which things to shoot your friends with and get them wet with this summer. Now back to the studio.